Hello everyone. The world is at the corner of recession. This is what the media is speaking all about. But have you ever thought that will that really impact the day-to-day operations of the marketing? Many marketers or many business owners contacts me and say that recession is around the corner and what they should do in terms of their marketing strategies. So today I'm going to discuss about 11 small but effective marketing strategies which you can incorporate for your online business to come out of your recession in a stronger way. So let us start one by one. The first point is cut down on your cost and keep a track on your return on ad spend. Yes guys, this is the very first and the foremost step, because the thing is you need to keep a track of whether you are really benefiting out of your ad spend or not. Like you might have multiple channels, you might run PPC, you might run SEO, you might run email marketing campaign, you even might run an influencer campaign and so many other things going on. But you really need to check that your cash flow, your ins and out of your cash is being well balanced, your profits are well balanced. So this is the high time you need to keep a track before moving further down the line. Point number 2, utilize your Google My Business to the best level. People often ignores the power of local SEO or local marketing, but this is very powerful. If you even reach out to or be successful within a certain radius or mile of your business, then trust me, you can really tap a lot of targeted audience within your locality, and this can give you endless returns. Now the important points to look after here is focus on your 3-pack ranking, focus on your Google My Business optimization. Make sure that for essential keywords your Google My Business is ranking well in the search. Point number 3, do not ever hate keywords with low search volume. Yes, SEO experts or online marketers often hate low search volume keywords because they believe that those have low traffic and they might not even make sense to a business, but this is wrong. Yes guys, this is very much a wrong mindset, because even a low volume keyword can have an enormous amount of effect in increasing your organic visibility. Let me show you an example. Suppose you target 100 low volume keywords. Now the thing is that these 100 low search volume keywords would be very easy to rank. Maybe with just a little bit of on page, off page and some small backlinks, you can rank them on first page in less than 45 days, almost in 1.5 months. And if all the keywords are ranked, or even if I take an average of 20 search volume for the 100 keywords, still you would end up receiving 2000 traffic on your campaign. Now 2000 is not a bad amount guys. 2000 traffic, if I compare just 5% of the conversion ratio, still the figure is huge. So don't hate zero search volume, rather work on those, try to rank them as sooner as possible, because this can give you good amount of traffic. Point number 4, focus on the W or the weakness on a SWOT analysis, which stands for strength, weakness, opportunity and threats. Yes guys, perform an in-depth comparative analysis and understand what are the weaknesses of your competitors, and focus on your business in strengthening the areas where your competitors are having a weak area. This will give you an edge over the competition and you can earn or grab more than your competitors. So this is a high time you perform this right now. This can be from backlinks, this can be from on page, this can be even from the customer acquisition technique as a whole. Point number 5, don't destroy your social habit. Maintain your social handles, because this gives a good chance to connect with your audience, and a connection with your audience maintains your business engagement and it maintains the business activity. Even if you're on the recession, if you have low ad spend, budget spend, still your social engagement can really give you a good amount of business transactions online. Point number 6, be very much of the champion with your transparency. Yes, try to maintain your transparency as your last solution to any needs. Try to provide more frequency of the updates, try to maintain a better transparency when it comes to your client coordination, because this can increase the retention rate. And guys, just onboarding new client is not revenue growing, rather retaining old client is also a revenue gathering session as well. So client retention can be greatly enhanced and improved if you can well maintain the transparency side of your business. Point number 7, always under commit and over deliver. Yes, just as the name suggests, always make your commitments to the lower side and always try to deliver double than what you have committed. This gives a good customer satisfaction, and a good customer satisfaction can help you in a long-term client retention, which can ultimately help you with a long-term recurring good revenue for your online business. Point number 8, try to sacrifice some of your profit margin if you are saying that recession has already hit you. Yes, don't think that I'll keep 70%, 80%, 90% profit margin from any campaign. Rather, try to keep the minimalist profit margin from your campaign, but provide good user experience, good service, and also provide you good products, because even if you keep a small profit margin, like today's pain is the long-term gain. This should be your main ideology. Point number 9, be proactive. Yes, don't just be reactive. Don't just follow the usual standards of working. Rather, be proactive, be smart, be quick into the action, because proactiveness always outperforms reactivity, and this greatly satisfies customers' buying behavior and journey as a whole. Point number 10, go organic. Yes, because guys, like paying for a traffic or PPC, pay per click, is like renting your space on the field of internet. So rather go organic, where your monthly budget investment would remain constant, but your level of chance of growing the traffic and customers would exponentially increase over time. So always focus on SEO. I'm not just pushing the SEO industry, but rather this is the mere fact. Go organic. Don't be too much reliant on the paid sources, because paid sources are, you put the money, you get the traffic, you stop the money, you don't get the traffic. Last but not the least, point number 11, apples versus apples comparison. Yes, try to provide an apple versus apple or a metric versus metric comparison every single week to your client. This would give them a proper direction that their campaign is going toward a good direction, and this can keep your retention rate well top notch. Don't just offer your services for sake of offering. Rather, provide some love, care for the campaign, and trust me guys, if you offer love, dedication and care to the campaign are bound to success, and a successful campaign can give you a long-term revenue, and a long-term revenue is the end of the recession. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.